Do you want your Samsung Galaxy phone to last more than just a couple of years? Today, I'll show you simple and smart ways to extend your phone's lifespan, so it runs fast, stays healthy, and saves you money. First, always keep your phone updated. Samsung regularly releases software updates that improve performance and fix security issues. Only install apps from trusted sources like the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. And delete apps you don't use. Unused apps can slow your phone and drain battery. Your battery is like your phone's heart. Don't let it die too often or stay at 100% for hours. Ideally, keep your battery between 20 and 80%. Free up space regularly. Go to Device Care and clear cache and junk files. Keep at least 10% of your storage free. Don't forget physical care. A good case and screen protector can save you from costly damage. Restart your phone once a week to refresh memory. Avoid charging overnight every single day. And back up your data regularly using Google or Samsung Cloud. If your phone slows down after a few years, consider replacing the battery instead of buying a new phone. It's much cheaper. Taking care of your phone is easier than you think. Try these tips and your Galaxy device will stay fast, smooth, and reliable for years.